This is the BSR mini micro turntable. This will be just for replacement. No base will come with this. I've gone through and cleaned all the old grease out and re-lubricated it. Pretty thorough job. Repacked the platter bearing. Also did the motor bearings. And it's got a new stylus on it. And it works real nice. A couple records stacked up here. Cycles nice and smoothly. Good sound out of both left and right. I've adjusted the set down point so it lands in the groove correctly. It has a Q lift. The power connector and audio cable connector are pretty standard. If you've got a all-in-one system that uses this micro mini turntable by BSR, it's a model C124, and this should fit right in, no problem. Very easy to change it out. And the end of play, auto return and shut off works just fine.